is a difference between something that is dirty and something that is najis, i.e. Islamically impure. For example, mud may be dirty, but it is not najis. There is also a difference between something that is clean and something that is tahir, i.e. Islamically pure. For example, we can wash a dog so much and it may be clean, but it is not tahir. So what are the najis things? Dogs and pigs are najis. This does not mean we should disrespect these animals. We should be kind and care for them, just like other animals. If a dog licked you and it was wet, it doesn't always mean you are dirty. It means you become Islamically unclean, and it must be washed off before you pray and other things. Number 1 and number 2 are also najis. This means you must wash yourself off from these things before you pray and other acts. Blood is also najis. So if you get hurt and start bleeding, you must wash the blood off your body and clothes before you pray and other acts too. Let's go through them again. Dog, pig, number 1, number 2, and blood are all najis, which means they are Islamically unclean. Can you find the najis things in the picture? Is a cow najis? No. Is the pig najis? Yes. Is the dirt najis? No. Is the chicken najis? No. Blood? Yes. Well done.